Hey my lovies, I'm coming to you today with a review. This review is from a company called Indepth, and it's from our friends over at Thomason. As you may know, Thomason is a website for influencers where you can go and they will give you the opportunity to apply to different brands to review products. Some products are free. Some products you get a discount code to knock the price like way down. Sometimes you may pay just some cents for certain good items. Some opportunities are pay opportunities and all that good stuff. So they have different opportunities on Thomason. So I will leave a link down below so you can check it out if you are an influencer. So today we have the product that I will be talking about are the 12 Keto Magnet Cheat Sheet. So the product came in this box here. And I have opened it and looked at it and very excited about using it. So I'm just taking it out. Get it out of here. So you have your 8 keto diet food sheet chart in here, and then you have 4 blank daily keto sheet charts. So these are the 4 blank key charts. You have one for snacks, nuts and snacks, and it basically records your food intake, which is the food, the calories, the fats, the net carbs, and the proteins. And then you have your breakfast intake. Okay. And then you have your dinner intake. And you have your lunch intake. So basically, this is where you will record what you eat throughout the day. You will record your calories, your fats, your net carbs, and your proteins. Keto is a popular trending diet. It's been trending a lot along with the what is the other diet? The alkaline diet. Those are the 2 main diets that I have been hearing about endlessly. And I once was trying out the alkaline diet for a little bit, where I wasn't consuming any meats. I would only consume, well, you know what? No, I was consuming shrimp. That was it. I would eat shrimp. If I had sandwiches, I was using romaine lettuce. For my sandwiches, I was doing a lot of juicing and all of that good stuff. And that was a part of me doing the alkaline. The juicing part, for some reason, I tried to get into it. I even bought me a juicing machine, and it's like a very messy process. And I love my smoothies. I'd rather just stick to my smoothies. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I prefer my smoothies. The juices, when you juice them, are delicious, but the smoothie process is so much easier and cleaner. So also in this set, you will get the Ketogenic diet checklist. So this basically is a checklist telling you about carb intake, the adequate protein, the healthy fats, and of course it tells you to drink lots of water. And the keto diet, it can cause some side effects like headaches, muscle cramps, and some weakness sometimes because of the electrolyte and balance. So the key to, because I do hear about that with people who do the keto diet, and sometimes it can be dangerous if you don't if you don't increase your salt intake. So that is the key to helping with the side effects from the keto. I've seen people on the keto diet, and I have seen like fast results from them doing the keto diet. So it says that you want to increase your salt intake right here. You will get this small sheet in there, and it tells you ways to increase your salt intake. It suggests that you drink 1 to 2 cups of broth daily, or you can use soy sauce over some of the foods that you eat. So you may not be a person that will use soy sauce all the time, and you may be a person that doesn't like broth, but I personally would highly recommend, either or, trying either or. It does say something about, it mentioned water and the benefits of drinking water. And it says that water is a natural appetite suppressant. Several studies found that reducing intake of water might cause fat deposits to increase, while drinking more reduces fat deposits. So when you drink more water, it reduces the fat deposit, and it kind of like secretes through the body. It leaves the body. So yeah, some good protein choices that you can notate or put on your blank cards, because this diet highly recommends protein. Enough protein. It says protein is both 46% ketogenic and 58% anti-ketogenic. So this diet wants you to intake fatty foods, or fatty meats. So it does good protein is fatty red meats, chicken with skin, turkey, eggs, deli meats, seafood, fish, pork, veal, lamb, fowl, organ meats, game meats, eggs, nuts, seeds, and full fat dairy in moderation, as they contain carbs. So yeah, and this diet recommends that you eat to satisfaction but not stuffed. So your 8 keto diet cheat sheets right here basically details, right here you have your snacks and nuts. So this lists all of your nuts that you can have, all of your cheeses, basically all your nuts and your snacks that you can have, and it tells you how many calories, how many fats, your carbs, your protein, and all that. So you're keeping track of the carbs and stuff that you intake throughout the day, and fats and all that stuff. All of these things is helping you, judge and keep track of. Next, you will get a condiment. They even include a condiment cheat sheet, and this has like your apple cider vinegar on it, your extra virgin olive oil, basil leaves, basically any and everything that the condiments basically that you can have while doing the keto diet. Next, you have protein source and healthy fats. So this just goes over some meats, avocado oil, coconut oil, full fat avocados, turkey meat, duck meat, beef meat, beef liver, all of that stuff it lists. Then this goes over your dairy, and this lists your cheese, your cream cheese, your Greek yogurts, half and half mayo, mozzarella, parmesan, like a lot of stuff you can intake while doing this diet. So it's an awesome thing. And then this one lists vegetable, nuts, and snacks. And as you can see, you have your raw onion, spinach, zucchini, tomatoes, all of that stuff. And every card lists the calories, the fats, the carbs, the protein, and all of that stuff. You will also get a fruit and drinks card. So this has your lemon water. It has your almond milk, bone broth. It has strawberries, raspberries. You will also get a protein source. So this will be a way of getting your protein in, and it lists everything where you're able to get in your protein: salmon, a ribeye steak, which you cannot have with most diets, pork chop, liver, ground lamb, ground beef, egg, chicken, chicken thighs, chicken breasts, bacon, almond butter, and then last but not least, you will get your vegetable card. And your vegetable card lists all the vegetables that you can have. And you have your garlic, your eggplant, your cucumber, cherry tomatoes, celery, cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, bok choy, asparagus, and arugula. And this has a lot of the vegetables that I do love. So yeah, this whole set retails for only $10.99 on Amazon.com, which is excellent. You also will get a marker in your set, and then all of these cards you can stick. They are magnetic. You can stick them on your refrigerator so you can keep up, with what you're intaking. A little bit about the keto diet for those who don't know. The keto diet is a low carb, high fat diet. It lowers blood sugar and insulin levels and shifts the body's metabolism away from carbs and towards fat and ketones. A ketogenic diet is an effective way to lose weight and lower risk factors for disease. What's more, the diet is so filling that you can lose weight without counting calories or tracking your food intake. The ketogenic diet is a very low carb, high fat diet that shares many similarities with the Atkins and low carb diets. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. When people are new to ketogenic diet, they often wonder what type of foods they should and could eat while restricting carbs. Although we do have an in-depth ketogenic food list, it doesn't cover everything and doesn't include all the keto-friendly replacements and recipes that are most commonly asked about. So I'm pretty sure that you can go on your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, and I'm sure there is a keto app. If I can find it, I will put the link down below. But I'm sure there's a keto app that will give you more choices, more recipes and stuff like that. You can always Google to find recipes and all that good stuff. It says use our recommendations below to get an idea of the best alternatives for common high carb ingredients and what foods you can replicate with while going the low carb route. Not only will this keto cheat sheet help make your new diet feasible for the long term, but it'll make it undeniably enjoyable as well. So it says keep on the track every day. Extra 3 meals and 1 snack. Is basically listing what comes in this package for you. And it says the Keto Diet Guide Cheat Sheet gives you the most important information you need to start a keto diet. Keto Food Substitution Sheet gives plenty of food options to incorporate into your new lifestyle. So these sheets just give you, me personally, I didn't know anything about, the foods that I could have, what I couldn't have with doing the keto diet. So this definitely is going to help me with dieting and trying out this diet. I am excited about doing so, and I will be keeping track of it and sharing my progress on here with you lovies about my journey with doing the keto diet. So yeah, all information I will put down below. Once again, this whole kit retails for $10.99 on Amazon.com. You get 8 of the keto diet food sheet charts, which lists all the calories, fats, net carbs, and proteins, vegetables, meats, snacks, nuts, fruits, all that good stuff. And then you have your blank chart and your marker, in which you can list everything that you intake and all of that good stuff. So yeah, that is all. Hopefully I covered everything about this product. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comment section, and I will be happy to answer any questions that you may have. If I come across any keto diet links in the Apple Store, or the Google Play Store, I would definitely put them down below so you can check out different keto recipes and all that good stuff. So yeah, hope you loves enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informative for you, and I will see you loves in the next video.